Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let us continue our class on Java. So today we will discuss more programming on if statement. So let us start. The first question is we have to take input the unit consumed by a consumer in for a electricity board and we have to display the billing amount as per the table. So let us start the program. So we have taken input the unit consumed and stored the value in the variable u. After that, see here we have taken a double type variable amt and initialized with 0.0. Now why have I taken a double type value? Because there is a chance of getting decimal values. So we cannot store decimal values in a int type variable. So we have utilized the double type variable. Okay. So this program is little bit different. So let us see how different it is. So it is told that for the first 100 units my price is 400. So 400 is the basic charge that you have to pay whether you utilized only 1 unit or you have consumed 100 units of electricity, your basic payment will be 400. So that's why it is told here, if my unit consumption is less than equals to 100, then my amount will be 400. Next case here, for the next 150 units, the price will be 5 per unit for the next 150 units. So see here, if my unit consumption exceeds the 100 limit but it is below my 250 limit, how 250 limit is coming? So first limit is 100, next limit is 150. So 100 plus 150 is 250. So that is how it is coming. So how the bill value is calculated? Let us take up an example so that it will understandable. So see, suppose I have consumed 160 units. So according to the table, for the first 100 units, my price will be 400. So 400. Next, 150 unit will be priced at rupees 5 per unit. So it is saying that those value that exceed 100 mark but is up to next 150 will be 5 per unit. So look at here. So 160 in my consumption. So from this consumption, how much value exceeds my 100 limit? So I have to deduct 100. So that is 60 unit exceeds my 100 limit mark. So this 60 unit will be priced at rupees 5 per unit. So that is what I have done here. So for the first 100 unit, price is 400 and those units that exceed my 100 limit mark will be priced at rupees 5 per unit. Okay. Then look at the next table. So next 250 units will be priced at rupees 6 per unit. So it says here, if my unit consumption exceeds the 250 mark and below 500 mark. So how 500 is coming? 100 plus 150 means 250. 250 plus 250 is 500. So that is how 500 is coming. So if my unit consumption is above 250 and less than equals to 500, then my bill value will be calculated like this. So for example, I have consumed 320 units. So in this 320 units, the first 100 unit will be charged rupees 400. The next 150 unit will be charged 150 into 5. And what is my remaining value here? So how will I calculate it? So my unit consumption minus 100 and minus 150, that is 320 minus 250. So this 70 unit exceeds my 250 limit mark. So this 70 unit will be charged at rupees 6 per unit. So that is what I have done here. First 100 unit 400 rupees, next 150 unit 5 per unit, and whichever unit crosses my 250 mark will be priced at 6 per unit. Okay. So after that, what it is told, if it crosses my 500 mark, then those crossed units will be charged at rupees 7.5. So accordingly we have done here. So first 100 units 150, next 150 units 5 per rupees, next 250 units rupees 6 per unit, and whichever value my crosses my 500 mark will be 7.5 per unit. So according to the given value, the amount will be calculated and stored. So after my amount is calculated, I just simply displaying my amount value. Okay, so let us go to the next program. It is saying that a shopping mall is providing you discount on purchasing of items. So it is told we have to take input the total purchasing value of items, and then we have to display what discount we are eligible for, and also we have to find out what price we actually have to pay after we get or after the discount is applied from the given table. Okay, so this is little bit different from the previous program. The previous program, the bill value was calculated in several parts, but this is different. So let us see. So we begin by taking input the purchasing value and storing it in the variable PV. Then we are also initializing two variables. One is this for storing the discount and FC for calculating the final price. So according to the table, so if my purchasing value is up to rupees 10,000, then I will get a 5% discount. So discount will be 5% on my purchasing value. So 5% means 5 by 100, which is equals to 0.05. Of means multiplication. So on my purchasing value, I will get 5% discount. Next category, so if my purchasing value exceeds 10,000 mark and is up to 20,000, then I am eligible for 7%. So my discount will be 7% on my purchasing value. In the same manner, if it crosses 20,000 and up to 50,000, then I am getting a 10% discount. Otherwise, my discount will be 12.5%. The 12.5% means 0.125 into purchasing value. So I have calculated my discount. Now I have to calculate the final price that I have to pay. So what will be my final price? The purchasing value minus the discount that I am getting will calculate my purchasing value. And simply I am calculating the purchasing value, and now I just have to display the discount and the final price that I am paying. Okay, understood? Let us carry on. Next, we will take up a different type of program. So it is told that we have to take input two numbers and one choice also have to be taken as input, and we have to display the output as per the choice which is from the table. So what is told here in the program that I will take two numbers and another number will be taken which will be my choice, and my program will display only that particular operation on which my choice depends. So see here it is told that if I give the value of choice as 1, then it will show me addition. If I give the value of choice as 4, it will show me division. Okay, so in this manner, which operation will be displayed will depend on the value of the choice. So let us start. So accordingly, we have taken two numbers as input, A and B, and another number is taken as the choice which is stored in my variable CH. Okay, so see here, if my CH or choice value is 1, what operation should be done here? Addition. So what I have done, I have calculated the addition value and simply displayed here. So I have directly calculated the value and displayed. I have not utilized any variable to store the result. Okay, is it clear? So see here carefully. Are you not having any question? Are you not feeling that something is missing? If you are feeling that I have missed the second bracket after it, isn't it? No. So, note here is that if only one line is there after within a if statement, if only one line is present, then there is no requirement of giving bracket, second bracket. But if two lines are there, then we have to provide the second bracket. Okay? But I will like that you follow this uniform pattern, that whether there is one line or whether there is multiple lines, you should be giving and making the habit of giving those second brackets. Okay? So let us continue. So if my choice value is 1, then I am calculating the sum and displaying it. In the same manner, choice is 2, I need to calculate the difference. If the choice is 3, I have to calculate the product. If the choice is 4, I have to find the quotient. And finally, if the choice is 5, the remainder needs to be calculated. Now, why have I given the else part? See, what could happen is that some people may intentionally or unintentionally may give a different value for the choice. Suppose some people have given the choice as 7, but from our question, what is told? We are having only 5 choices which are ranging from 1 to 5. So no choice is there for the number 7. So what will my program do if such value is given as input? So for such scenario, it is proper to display a message that you have given a wrong choice. So for those kind of situations, the else part will be executed. So if 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 5 values are not given, any values other than these 5 digits are given, then this else part will get executed. So this part is not mandatory, but it is always advisable that you give a else part for those kind of situations where the choice does not match it. Okay, let us go to the next part of next program. So it is told to take input a temperature and a choice, and we have to convert the temperature A, it is given C, we have to convert it into centigrade, and if it is F, we have to display it in Fahrenheit. So I recall everybody remembers the temperature formula. If not, let us go through it. So the formula is C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 9. So from this formula, the value of C can be computed like this one, as well as the value of Fahrenheit can be computed by this manner. Okay, so let us start the program. So we have taken a temperature and also a choice. So one thing to note here is that the choice is C and F, so it is a character type value. So that's why we have utilized the character data type. Okay, next we will be using either C or F to convert it into centigrade and to convert it into Fahrenheit, and then we are checking whether my value is of the choice is C or F. So one thing here that needs to be kept in mind is that a character value can be a capital letter as well as a small letter. So for making our program run for both the situations, we have utilized both the type of value, small value as well as capital value. So what we are checking in our choice variable, so whether my choice is equals to small letter C or capital letter C, then my centigrade formula will be applied, which is this one. So this is formulated like this and we are printing. Okay. So otherwise, if my choice is F, then the Fahrenheit formula needs to be incorporated, which is this one, and this is formulated. Okay. So again, In the same situation, if my user gives any other value except C or F, then I have to provide a proper message that your choice is wrong. Okay? So, hope you have understood. So, take care and see you soon in my next video.